Here are this week's top movies.
The born king will come. It is inevitable.
In King Arthur, Legend of the Sword, director Guy Ritchie gives us his rowdy take on the mythical tale.
Behold, your born king!
I grew up in Boyle Heights.
Against the backdrop of East LA car culture, a street artist hopes to make his dreams come true in Lowriders.
That is your heritage.
You on vacation here with your boyfriend?
No, I'm just here with, my mom.
When a woman vacations with her scaredy cat mom in Snatched, kidnapping and hilarity ensues. Oh, that was awesome! See what's hot in theaters with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.